Hello, I'm Lovely Lore, director, producer, talent, social media manager, editor, executive, audio engineer, gaffer of Lovely Lore, the YouTube channel, Industries Incorporated. Trademark, yeah. When you tend to see me, I usually look something like this because my YouTube channel is largely about Lolita fashion, so you'll generally see me wearing Lolita fashion. But as I mentioned in an older video, I don't wear Lolita fashion every single day. I don't consider myself a lifestyle Lolita. I do wear Lolita. This title is a little bit extreme. I actually do wear Lolita, but I just wear it for videos and then for fun when I feel like it. But day to day, when I'm just doing stuff at home, hanging out, I don't usually tend to wear Lolita, unless of course I feel like it. I also have interest in other fashions, and I generally tend to explore those when I'm going out with friends. But in 2020, I haven't really been doing that, so I've mostly been wearing other clothing. So when I'm not wearing Lolita and I'm just going about my day-to-day life, what is it that I wear? Well, you're about to see. So this is what I look like on a typical editing day, work day. Just some comfy pants, a t-shirt of some sort, and a sweatshirt if it's cold. It's been getting colder. I'm gonna take you through a week of what I wear. I'm not gonna vlog my entire week and everything that I do because that's too much for me. But I am gonna try to vlog every time I wear a new outfit, which on some days is probably gonna be many times, and on other days it's probably gonna be just once. So let's go.
Monday.
Alright, so it's Monday and I am wearing a beautiful zip-up hoodie with a Slytherin shirt and some Roots shorts. I'm extremely exhausted today because I actually thought that yesterday was Monday, so I did a bunch of work yesterday, so I'm a little bit ahead of schedule, but so tired today. I am filming 2 videos at once. You're gonna see both of them before this one, my petticoat video and my devil inspired replica versus real thing video. So I don't think that I'm gonna make any attempt to look cute outside of that today because I'm gonna need all of my energy to finish filming those videos. So I will check in again when I'm dressed up for those videos, and then what I end up wearing afterwards will be interesting to see. It's quite cold today. It started snowing, so a kigurumi might be in my future. I don't know. I don't think that I'm gonna attempt to do any cute outfit today. The setup is a little bit crazy. I just finished filming my video reviewing the proper real Henrietta dress compared to the replica, and I feel really cute. I want to just keep wearing this all day. I think that if I had done my actual hair, I would probably just like hang out in this dress, but alas, I think that organizing this whole filming setup for the next thing that I need to get, I'm probably going to change into something comfier to move around because I'm gonna need to change this whole area around. If you're interested in seeing more of like how I put together my videos and build my little sets, I have a lot more on Patreon. I show like every little thing that I do. This is how I look now. Still Monday, still the same day, and let's see what I change into after this. I didn't exactly try to be cute, but then this outfit ended up being very cute. I just wanted to be comfy after filming. I'm wearing an Ocean Space shirt and my collaboration FluffyTori sweatpants. They're very comfy. I have my makeup on still because I feel like I might record again tonight, although I think that might be a little bit of wishful thinking. I feel like I'll probably get tired and just go edit, but now I need to sort of organize everything, put everything away from filming, and figure out if I'm going to film again or if I'm just gonna edit. So this might be my last outfit of the day, or it might be my second to last outfit of the day. I'll let you know. I feel like I'm probably just wearing this makeup slightly longer and then I'm gonna wash it off. But yeah, outfit. Comfy, cute, love it, pockets. Comfy but cute outfit. This is actually really cute. I really like this. I want to wear this out. This would be perfect when conventions are a thing again, to like wear around the con after you've gotten out of Lolita. It's cute. I'm feeling it. I'm also impressed with how much this shirt works with these pants.
Tuesday.
On Tuesday, I was feeling really exhausted, so I just wore another comfy sweats outfit. I did a lot of editing on this day, and I'm showing these dresses because I was writing some preparations for videos using these dresses, but I haven't finished those videos yet, so these dresses will make more sense in the future.
Wednesday.
In my recent video with Tyler, a lot of people asked how I do this hairstyle, so I'm going to show you. I use a heat protectant on my hair and then put up my bangs for later. Then I use this cheap curling iron I got at Walmart for literally $15. I don't know what exact size it is. It's very small. It was the smallest one they had in the store. It's about the thickness of one of my fingers. I curl each strand like this. People are sometimes shocked by how I wrap my hair around my curler. This is what works for me. And I section off each strand, also about as wide as my finger. I do this all over my head and then I put it back in a little temporary bun. I haven't hairsprayed it yet, and I think that that's an important step. So I let my hair chill for a little while setting up and getting ready. Then I usually take the end of a comb. I couldn't find the comb that I normally use, but it looks like this. So I used a thin makeup brush and I run it through each strand individually in order to expand each curl. And this is why it's so important not to hairspray it yet, because if I had sprayed it, it might get stuck or catch. I separate each strand, and then after this I kind of work through it with my fingers a little bit to how I like it, and then I will hairspray it so that it stays in place.
Alright, so here, now you know how to do this hair. It's important not to brush all of it, just like each strand kind of loosen and brush out, and then as I hairsprayed it I kind of went like this to like poof it up. I am finishing recording my bloomers and petticoat video, so I'm gonna have to change a bunch and hopefully I don't destroy this hair because I also want to take some photos today. And then I'm gonna wash it and deep condition it and it'll go back to being straight. So for now, this is what I'm wearing for this video. My new cream and sugar Lolita bloomers and a blouse, and I'm gonna finish working on this video. Okay, so this looks a little bit weird with this backdrop, but I took a new profile picture today, which is why I put this backdrop up, and I have changed multiple times already since I last checked in because I finished my petticoat video filming and took a new profile photo. So now I'm just going to be editing for the rest of the day, and I'm wearing comfy clothes. This is like my first true outfit of the day that's not for videos, just for comfort. And I'm wearing some Target sweatpants that my mom sent me that are tie-dye, and they're super comfy and they have pockets, and some Museum of Ice Cream Target socks with a FluffyTori shirt. And this shirt is so comfortable. It's like not too thin but not too thick and very stretchy and loose, and I love it. I like wearing it underneath dresses, and I want to be super cute and wear it with a dress, but I'm just gonna be sitting editing for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna wear it with sweatpants, and I'm off to go do that. Okay, so I really need to finish editing, but I remembered since I took a new profile picture today, there's something that I forgot to mention in my Patreon video that was all about like the creation of Lovely Lore and how I got the nickname and how I came up with the channel name, but I forgot to explain my username. On YouTube, you have a username and a channel name, And the username is what you first make your account under, and I made my account in 2008 even though I didn't post on it until 2012. And I used my Warcraft 3 Dota name, which was Gits for Fits. And the reason for that is because I used to play a lot of World of Warcraft, Dota, and different MMOs and MOBAs and online games. And I used to get bullied for being a girl and having a cutesy name. So I thought for some reason the Gits for Fits would be a really tough name, because my mom used to use the slang git for like a guy who's an idiot, and then fits for fights. So I thought that it would make me sound more tough. And I also thought that my YouTube content was all gonna be Dota, and here we are however many years, 12 years later, and I'm clearly an esports champion. But I can't change the username on YouTube. I can only change the channel name, which is why I always link like youtube.com/c/lovelylor because that's my channel name.
Thursday,
Friday was my second day off for the week. Believe it or not, between 2016 and 2019, I never took a day off. And in 2020, I started making myself take 2 days off a week. On Thursday, I just rested, and on Friday, I was running a lot of errands, cleaning up, and catching up with life outside of video making. I wore this comfy outfit, which consists of Roots sweatpants, a shirt my mom gave me that's oversized, and it's very comfy, but it's meant to be worn as a pajama shirt, but I wear it all the time. I love the emo thumb holes. Since I had to run some errands, I wore a face mask and my classic checkered Vans. I also wore this fall jacket because at the start of the day it was quite cold. Would you even recognize me like this? Like if you saw me? I think not. This is like me revealing my secret identity. Throughout the course of the day and running errands, I got super warm, as you do during the fall. The weather is all over the place, so I changed midday into this oversized Ghost Girl Goods shirt, which is one of my favorite go-to comfy cool shirts, with some Adidas bike shorts, and this is like peak off-day lore. I love wearing this.
Saturday,
I did a lot of work on Saturday and forgot to record a vlog around it. I filmed another video and wore this chemical romance dress in a sort of Decora inspired Lolita kind of way. After recording my redemption video, I also made some TikToks while I was dressed up, and I had a lot of fun with it. I kind of want to try to make more TikToks on days when I'm dressed up for filming. I also recorded a video for Patreon, my Not So Lovely episode for November, and I wore more FluffyTori, and I wore this outfit for the rest of the night.
Sunday,
Today I am finishing recording this video that you're watching right now. And then I'm also going to record some TikToks, I think, and the intro to one of the videos that I mentioned earlier in the week that I was prepping with one of those dresses. And then I'm going to edit my Patreon video, so those are my plans for the day. I'm wearing my FluffyTori collaboration dress with the shorts. The shorts aren't really even visible with this dress, but they kind of are acting as like bloomers or like safety shorts for me. I love cold weather where I can wear like a sweatshirt or this sort of like sweatshirt dress with shorts. That's like my prime favorite weather. I think it's like in the 50s today. One of the reasons why I wanted to make this video was to share my FluffyTori collaboration, because I haven't shared it in a video yet and it's been out since like the summer. The reason for that is that I originally really wanted to make a video where I was doing a very elaborate lookbook. I wanted to do all of these like really fashion-y style looks with all of these pieces, and I wanted to go to different like cafes and restaurants and stores and like do a really fun visual thing. And that's just not realistic for this year. I kept putting it off because I was waiting for a time to be safe and for me to feel comfortable doing that, and it just hasn't come. It seems like day to day things are like open and then closed. I've had these clothes since the summer, and I decided to make a video showing you how I have been wearing them, because it's just another way that you can use them. And also I know that I've talked a lot about how I don't always wear Lolita, but I haven't really shown myself on YouTube not wearing Lolita, and when you see me dressed up in full Lolita all the time, it sets this sort of expectation that I always look like that, and that's really, for me personally, not realistic or really attainable all the time. So I wanted to take this opportunity to just show my day-to-day life and show that you can still be a Lolita whether you are a lifestyle Lolita or if you wear it once a year. You're still valid, you're still a Lolita. If you have one dress or if you have a huge giant wardrobe, you're still a valid Lolita. I just wanted to express that, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing my sort of low-key secret identity. It has been nice that FluffyTori's collection sort of works within the color scheme that I enjoy in Lolita. It's all very pastel and colorful, but the pieces can be worn in really comfortable, lazy ways. Before I made this video, I was really enjoying wearing these pieces just for myself and feeling cute on my own. FluffyTori did not pay me to make this video, but I do earn a commission from the Lovely Lore colorway because it is our collaboration. So if you purchase those, I will get commission from that, and I'm very grateful if you decide to. No pressure. If not, it's totally cool. I understand. I just wanted to be transparent about that. I kind of want to do a Lolitas versus Sweats day on Instagram, so stay tuned to my stories for that, because I think it would be really cool for us to share sort of us in our peak top tier Lolita and then sort of in comfy clothes, comfy sweats. More visibility that Lolitas aren't 100% put together and perfect all the time, because that expectation is not realistic. If you are a lifestyle Lolita or you adapt Lolita in ways that you can wear it every day, I fully commend you, because that's more work than I think I could physically do. And I appreciate you. The creator behind FluffyTori is FluffyKawaiiJo, or Joelle, and she has a really fun YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. She definitely works in ways of adapting Lolita for more daily wear and sort of breaking rules in order to make herself more comfortable in it and be able to do more things in it, and it's really interesting. I really love her Action Lolita series because it breaks these stereotypes that Lolitas are all prim and proper and just sitting around drinking tea all the time, and she does all different things in Lolita and different challenges, and it's a really fun watch, so go check it out. And of course, stay comfy.